something that I never do. Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Haley J, and while you're here, girl, go ahead and subscribe because you do not want to miss this content, okay? Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to get a flawless foundation, a flawless face, and the key to a flawless face is your base and how you set everything. So if you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and continue watching. So y'all, I already did my brows and put my lashes on off camera because yes, this is just the face, the base tutorial, right? So to start off, I'm going to put on my moisturizer. Apply that to my face. After that step, you're going to take a translucent powder, and for me today I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Focus. So I got a little bit of that in there, like so. It's really focusing on my face right now. Y'all, I got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure out the ins and outs of everything and how it all works and the focus and everything, so just bear with me, but I'm trying to get y'all content, so we here. I'm going to take one of my powder brushes, just any regular fluffy brush, you know, dab it in the powder a little bit, tap off the excess. So I just kind of pat it in all over my face like so. I'm going to set that. So I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I like this look better if the lighting keeps changing on me. The lighting keeps changing on me, y'all. I don't know. I'm working on it, okay? So if the lighting changes, it's the camera doing its own thing. Look, I'm just the subject, okay? After that step, you're going to take your primer. And today's primer is going to be the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Can y'all see her? Yeah, kind of put that in my cheeks and my chin. And this is gonna help my makeup to stick to my face, so to say. And I just kind of like pat that in my chin, eyes, and it should create this really sticky base for you, so your makeup will last and it'll just look like skin. Also gonna set that in place, so going back in with my Morphe. After you've done your moisturizing and your priming, you are going to go in with your foundation. I am using Riri's Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in 400, and I'm using the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal in Copper. One day I'll find my perfect shade. One day. Pat that on my face. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques Instapop. I think this was the Instapop face brush. I'm not sure, but now we're gonna go in with our concealer. And to really cover up, for me, I go in with two concealers. As y'all know, if you've been watching, I love to go in with two concealers because one just doesn't do the trick for me. So of course, we're going in with Fawn from LA Pro Girl, which is a very affordable concealer. You can get contour, and y'all, I have not gotten any cream contour yet. So what I'm going to try today, I'm scared about this. This is dark. It's real dark though. I'm gonna mix both of these, okay? I'm going to, that's what I'm using. I'm gonna just take some of that, put it on my cheeks. Yeah, that's good. Place. We're going to go in with some more translucent powder. I'm gonna go in with the sponge, dab a little, and then put a little of the excess on my hand, and then go in and press it into my skin. Cause you don't necessarily want to bake it. You just want to set that concealer. To go in with my Sephora micro, that's not it, but it's this Sephora micro smooth powder. Now that I'm going in with that, I go in with my Fit Me powder, matte and poreless, in Warm Sun, and I use my sponge again. But you know, trust the process. So this is a Ruby Kisses powder contour palette, and this is my Jaclyn Hill. So I go in with these two shades, and then I also go in with this peachy shade because this palette for me is really gray, so I like to kind of like warm it with that peach shade. So Nika K blush duo. It's been through the storm. Don't talk about me. It's been through the storm, baby, but it's good, and it's from Beauty Supply. So I just like this shade actually. This is just not too much, and just tap it on my cheek. Well, my girls that like blush, comment down below if you love blush, because this is one of my favorite steps, baby. I love makeup. And let me fix this eyebrow while I'm thinking about it. If you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know down below. I'll give it that for you. So we're gonna try it. Oh, I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. something is missing, and it's my bottom lashes. I'm like, something is missing. I'm gonna put on a cute little blouse for y'all, and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Real cute, you know. Had to put on a cute little white blouse. This red lip is really something new for me. I typically do not do color like this. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.